student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the human excretory system. The excretory system is nothing but the removal, it is the organ which removes the waste material out from the body. So as we know, there are various life processes they are performing inside our body, like digestion, respiration and many other things. For the oxidation of food and energy production, there are many life processing performance activities they are performing continuously inside our body. So during these processes, many types of waste materials are formed. If this waste material are accumulated for the long time inside our body, then they causes the harmful effect to the human body or the body of other living organism also. That's why to remove such waste material out from the body is very important. Okay, so such removal of waste material out from the body is called as excretion. What is excretion? Excretion is the process by which our body removes the waste material out from the body is called as excretion system, and the process involved in this process and the organs involved in this process are called as excretory organ. Okay, so today we are going to understand the excretory organ of the human body. Okay, so as we know, human is the really very complex body. Human have the very complex body and different system they are work for the different life processes. Okay, so here you can see the diagram of the excretory system of the human being and kidney also. So as we know, the human excretory system consists of the pair of kidneys and a pair of ureter, the urinary bladder and the urethra. So as we know, urine is formed by the kidney by the separation of waste material and unwanted excess substance from the blood. So this waste material which is formed during the metabolic activity and energy production in individual cell of the body. So at this time, many waste material like nitrogenous substance, urea, uric acid are formed, and such material has to be removed out from the human body, and here the excretory system works efficiently. The two bean-shaped kidney are situated on either side of the vertebral column. So vertebral column के दोनों साइड में बीन के शेप की जो किडनी होती है वो प्रेजेंट होती है किस साइड में? ऑन द पोस्टीरियर साइड ऑफ द एब्डोमेन. द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द किडनी that perform the basic function of the filtration is called as nephron. So nephron is the basic functional unit of the kidney which perform the process of excretion, that is the separation of waste material from the blood. Each nephron has a cup-like thin-walled upper part called Bowman capsule. This Bowman capsule is a cup shape and where the process of filtration is performed. The network of the capillaries is called as glomerulus. The urea produced in the liver comes into the blood, and which blood carries this uric acid into the kidney where the filtration process is done. When the urea containing blood comes into the glomerulus is filtered through the capillaries, and urea and other similar substances are separated from the blood. Hence, the water molecules or a small molecule of some other substance can cross the semi-permeable membrane of the Bowman capsule. The solution accumulates in the cavity of the Bowman capsule passes into the tubular part of the nephron as you see in the diagram. Here, molecules of water and some other useful substance are reabsorbed into the blood. Most of the water and the electrolytes, that is some ions which are reabsorbed by the blood, which are useful to the human body. Urine is formed from the remaining solution which is full of waste material. इसके बाद जो material बचता है that is nothing but the urine and which is now collected into the urinary bladder. The urine is carried by the ureter and stored in the urinary bladder. Afterward, urine is given out through the urethra and it is controlled by the sphincter muscles. That the urge of urine is partly controlled by the brain also. The urinary bladder is muscular and it is under the control of nerves. Then, hence, we are able to keep the control on urination. So, as we know, we can control the urination process for some time because all these processes are controlled by the nerve system. Though the kidney are the main organ of the excretion in human being and skin and lungs also helps in the process of excretion. As we know, from the skin, the sweat glands are present which secretes the sweat out from the body, which is also the waste material found in individual cells of the skin. And as we know, lungs is also a type of excretory system because it helps in exhalation of carbon dioxide from our lungs to the surroundings. That's why these lungs are also the part of excretion. The right kidney is the slightly lower position than the left. So हमारा right side की जो किडनी होती है वो slightly lower side में होती है left के कंपेयर में. Each kidney has approximately 10 lakh nephron. याद रखना बेटा, हमारे एक किडनी में about 10 lakhs यानी 1 million नेफ्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो दो किडनी में कितने होंगे? 2 millions. The approximately 5 liter of the blood which is present in a normal healthy person's body is filtered by the kidney about 400 times every day. So हमारे बॉडी में about 5 liters of ब्लड प्रेजेंट होता है और ये 24 आवर में 400 टाइम क्या होता है? फिल्टर होता है. तो अगर आपने 400 टाइम को अगर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो कितना हो जाएगा? अ नॉर्मल हेल्दी पर्सन बॉडी इज फिल्टर्ड अबाउट किडनी. ईच किडनी हैज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 lakh nephron. The approximately 5 liter of blood which is present in a normal healthy person's body which is filtered by the kidney about 400 times every day. Thus, every day the kidney filtered about 190 liters of the blood from which 1 to 1.9 liter of urine is formed. The remaining liquid is reabsorbed because the urine also contains some useful material which are reabsorbed in human body. Okay, so this is the way how the excretory system works inside the body. So as we know, our main excretory system is our kidney which perform the process of filtration of blood, and the basic unit of the kidney is the nephron as we see here the diagram. सो बेटा आपको एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का और किडनी का और नेफ्रॉन का डायग्राम एक बार दो बार ड्रॉ करके देखना है बिकॉज एग्जाम में आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के लिए भी आते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द डायलिसिस प्रोसेस. So now we will understand what is dialysis. As we know, if the human body's kidney, अगर human body की kidney ने काम करना बंद कर दिया और ये अगर फेल हो जाती है, then the blood में जो यूरिन का परसेंटेज है वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जाएगा and the waste matter that is urine and uric acid which is accumulate for the long time inside the human body and which causes the harmful effect and it also leads to death of the person or patient also. Okay, so avoid this such a situation, the artificial kidneys came into existence. The artificial kidney से हम ब्लड का फिल्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं, जहां पर हाफ लीटर दैट इज 500 ml ऑफ द ब्लड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द मशीन कॉल्ड डायलिसिस एंड the filtered blood which is again re-infused into the human body. It is applies when the normal human body's kidney is not performing well, then the process of dialysis is taking place or carried out. So this is the diagram for the process of filtration of the urine from the blood by the dialysis process. The insufficiency of the kidney can be adversely affected by the injury, infection, or decreased in blood supply. In such conditions, the excess of toxic substances accumulate in the body and it can lead to the death of the patient also. If kidney fails, nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid are separated from the blood with the help of man-made machine called dialysis. This process of separating the nitrogenous waste from the blood with the help of the machine this process is called as dialysis. About 500 ml of the blood is sent at one time through the machine. Purified blood is reinfused into the body of the patient, and by this process the human blood can be filtered. Okay, so students, we have already understood how the excretory system works and how the process of separation of the nitrogenous substance from the blood and how it is ejected out from the body is nothing but the process called excretion. Okay, and the main excretory system of the body of human is kidney. So other excretory systems like skin which excrete or with the help of sweat, and the lungs which excrete the carbon dioxide gas, that is the gaseous waste. Okay, so students, I hope आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आया होगा. अगर नहीं समझ में आया बेटा इसको एक बार दो बार रिपीट करते रहना है so that you can understood this concept properly. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.